Hi friends, for phonics today, we are going to be writing words that end in the EW spelling pattern, and that sound is U, just like new. There's my brand new car with the bow on it. So I would like you to write these with me on a piece of paper with a pencil. So why don't you take a minute and you can push pause if you need to get yourself a piece of paper from your notebook and a pencil. We are going to be writing 8 words. Okay. The words that we will be writing are going to be spelled using some of these letters that you will see at the top. And then, of course, the end of the word will have EW. So your very first word is exactly what this car is. New. New. Which letter would you need to use from up here to spell new, because it's only a 3-letter word? If you spelt the word N-E-W, you get a round of applause. New. Very well done. Instead of me writing it, I am going to type it. And then hopefully it'll go a little bit faster. New. Very good. The next word that you're going to write is dew. The grass had dew on it this morning. Dew, also a 3-letter word. Dew. We know that D-O says dew, but this is talking about the moisture. Dew. If you spelt it D-E-W, thumbs up. Do. Let's see. And check your letter D to make sure that it is facing the right way. It's going to the left. Do. I also have another 3-letter word that I'd like you to write, and it is few. I have seen just a few ants crawling around lately. Few, also 3 letters. Few. If you spelt it F-E-W, you get a few gold stars for being able to write few, F-E-W. Good job. I'm going to try to move him right there. All right. Now, friends, this next word, you're going to need 4 letters to spell it. 4 letters. The word is flew. The bald eagle flew out of its nest to get some food for its eaglets, its babies. Flew. Flew. There's my L. Flew. Did you get that one? F-L-E-W. Flew. Flew. Well, friends, this next one also needs 4 letters, but it's what you do when you are creating art. Drew. I drew piggy and elephant last week, trying to follow those directions from Mo Willems. They didn't turn out too bad. Drew. D-rew. 4 letters. D-d-d. There's my R. You. Drew. Look at drew, and then look at over here, do. D-E-W, D-R-E-W. We just added an R. Just by adding 1 letter, we got a whole nother word. Drew. Wow, that was our 5th word already. That's amazing. All right, next one. Also 4 letters. Put my D and my R back, and your next word is stew. Stew is something that you can eat. It's sort of like a soup. And some people will say, oh, they stewed over the answer for a long time, which meant that they kept thinking and thinking about it. Stew, 4 letters. Stew. Stew. S. T. S-T-E-W. Stew. Stew, stew, stew. There's my A. Spell it for me. S-T-E-W. Yay, stew. I have not eaten stew in a very long time, mainly because I don't really like it. All right, friends. Next word also has 4 letters. The word is grew. 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 I think you all grew a lot this year, not only in your smarts, but also in your size. A lot of you grew taller. Grew. G, g, g. That's our G. G. Oh, it's our R again. Grew. We grew as kindergartners. Grew. Hopefully you're being able to get the spelling of these right. Grew. Let's see if we can move him up. There we go. Grew. And friends, I only have one more word for you. And that word is something that the wind does, something you can do with your mouth. The word is blue. Now I know blue is a color, but this is you blew bubbles. You blew a great big bubble with your bubble gum. Blue. Last week the wind blew very hard. B, b, b. Blue. B-L-E-W also spells the word blue. And that's one of those that you just start to memorize. Which, oops, where'd my little word go? Which one you use in a sentence if you're talking about the color or if you're talking about we have to get rid of that guy. Or if you're talking about the weather or gum blue. All right, friends, I want you to look up here at the 8 words that we wrote, and you can even be looking at your list, and let's read them together. New, do, few, flew, drew, stew, grew, and our last one, blue. Very good job, my friends. If you want, you could even now use these words in a sentence. You could even write, I blew a big bubble. Or the rose grew tall. Any sentences you want, but if you have some extra time, that would be good practice. Otherwise, keep on reading and keep on spelling. Bye-bye.